Hi children, our next chapter is percentage. What is percentage? A fraction with denominator 100 is called percentage. A decimal fraction with the denominator 100 is called percentage. 25 by 100 is a decimal fraction with the denominator 100. This we can say that 25 percentage. The symbol of percentage is this. 25 percentage. Can you say another examples? 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is 10 percentage. 35 by 100. 35 percentage. Okay. Next, writing a fraction as a percentage. Consider a situation. 2 by 5 of a students in a class speak Hindi at home. 2 by 5 of a students in a class speaks Hindi at home. That means 2 out of every 5 students speak Hindi at home. Okay. To convert this into percentage or to find how much percentage of the students in the class speak Hindi at home, what we have to do? Convert this fraction into decimal fractions with the denominator 100. So, to get here 100, we should multiply here the denominator by 20. Numerator also by 20, which is equals 40 by 100. Okay, 40 by 100. So we can say that 40% of the students speak Hindi at home. Please consider the decimal 0.45. What is its decimal fraction? 45 by 100, which is equals 45%. Clear? So, we can convert this decimal into a percentage. Clear? 0.45 is 45%. Understood? Example 1. Convert into percentage. A 4 by 25. To convert into percentage, we should change this into decimal fraction. 4 by 25. 25 into 4 equals 100. Numerator also multiplied by 4 is equals 16 by 100. Okay, this is equal 16%. Clear? Next, 4 1 by 4 equals 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 4. To convert this into decimal fraction, we should multiply here by 25. 17 into 25. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over. 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry over. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 5. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry over, 4. 425 by 100 equals, which is 425%. Okay, example 2. Write these decimals as percentage. 0.8. 0.8 we can write 8 by 10. To get here 100, we should multiply here by 10, here also by 10, which is equals 80 by 100. This is equals 80%. Okay, another way is 0.8 into 100%. To convert these into percentage, 0.8 into 100%, which is equals 0.8 into 100, 80. Okay, 80%. In this way also we can do this. Next is 1.25 B. 1.25 by 1.25 equals 125 by 100, which is equals 125%. Okay, directly we can multiply this like 1.25 into 100, which is equals 125%. Any way you can use. Writing a percentage as a fraction or a decimal. 75%. 75% means 75 by 100, which is equal 0.75. This is the decimal form. 75 by 100, we can cut both sides. How do we write its simplest form? We can cut common factors. Here 100 is divisible by 5 because its units place digit is 0. Here the units place digit is 5, so both numbers are divisible by 5. We can cut both sides by 5. In 10, how much 5? 2 5s are 10. In 0, 0 times. In 7, 1 time. In 25, 5 times. Again we can cut both sides by 5 because here units place digit is 0, here is 5. 4 5s are 20, here 3. So 3 by 4 is the simplest form or fraction of this percentage 75. Okay. Next example 1. Write as fractions in the simplest form. First one 30%. 30% we can write 30 by 100. Okay. We can cut both zeros. Then 3 by 10. There is no common factor between 3 and 10. So 3 by 10 is the simplest form. Okay. B. 150 by 100. Clear? We can cut both zeros like this. Then 15 by 10. 15 by 10. Both are divisible by 5. We can cut both sides by 5. How much time 5s are here? 2 times. Here 3. So 3 by 2 is the simplest form. Okay. 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. We can convert this 3 by 2 into mixed fraction. 3 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 1. So 1 by 2. Okay. Example 2. Write these percentages as decimals. First one 63%. 63% equals 63 by 100. 63 by 100. 63 by 100 equals 0.63. 0.63. Next is 235%. 235 by 100. which is equals 2.35. Okay. Finding the value of a percentage of a quantity. Here we have to find 75% of 8 kilogram. How much kilogram is the 75% of 8 kilogram? Okay. 75% of 8 kilogram means 8 into 75 by 100. Okay. First we can cut both sides by 25. 4 times 25s are there in 100. 3 times 25s are there in 75. Clear? Next, cut 4 and 8. 8 is divisible by 4. So we can cut 8 by 4. 4 in 4 one time, in 8 two times. So 2 into 3 equals 6. By 1 means 6 by 1, 6 itself. So 6% is the 75% of 8 kilogram. 6% is the 75% of 8 kilogram. Understood? Here we have to find 32% of 1000. Rupees 1000. 32% of rupees 1000. So we can write 1000 into 32 by 100. We can cut these zeros like this. 10 into 32 equals 320. 320 rupees is the 32% of 1000. Clear? Example 2. A blend of tea had 40% of type A and 60% of type B. How much of each is there in 5 kilogram tea? Total how much tea? 5 kilogram tea. 40% is blend means mixed together. 40% is type A. 40% is type A and 60% is type B. Here we have to find how much is the amount of type A and amount of type B. Okay? Amount of type A. Amount of type A. Amount of type A. How much? 40% of 5 kilogram. 40% of 5 kilogram is type A. So we can write 40% means 40 by 100 into 5 kg. Okay, which is equals, we can cut like this. This 10 also we can cut by this 5 2 times. Okay, then these 2 again cut here. 2 2s are 4. So 2 kg is type A. Okay, then amount of type B. Equals 60%. 60% of 5 kilogram. 60% of 5 kilogram. 60% of 5 kilogram. We can cut both sides 0. Again cut this 5, this 10 and 2 times 5s are there. Cut this 2 and 6 3 times. So 3 kg type B. In total how much? 5 kilogram tea. In this type A 2 kilogram and type B 3 kilogram. Total 5 kilogram. Okay. Next, write as percentage. A, rupees 5 of rupees 200. Here we have to find rupees 5 is how much a percentage of rupees 200. Rupees 5 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 200ന്റെ എത്ര പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് ആണ് എന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് 5 by 200 into 100. Clear? 100 percentage. How much percentage we have to find? Cut both 0. 100 also cut. Then 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. We can write 2 1 by 2 as mixed fraction, or we can put a point here, write here 0, write down, this become 10, 5 times 2s are there, 0, or 2.5 percentage, 2.5 percent. Okay, next, B, 20 centimeter of 1 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. 20 centimeter is how much percentage of 1 meter? That is the question. So we can write 20 centimeter out of 100 centimeter into 100 percentage. Clear? Cut hundreds, which is equals 20 percentage. Okay. Example 2. A mixture of nuts and dry fruits weighing 1 kilogram had 50 gram raisins in it. Okay. What is the percentage of raisins in the mixture? The amount of raisin is 50 gram. We have to find how much is the percentage. 50 gram is how much percentage of 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. 1000 gram. 50 gram by 1000 gram into 100 percentage. This is the percentage. We can cut here 0. 5 percentage. The amount of raisins is 5 percentage. Okay. Example 3. Radha and Ramu had lunch for rupees 250 in a hotel that charged 12% service tax on every bill. Calculate the tax and the total amount that they had to pay. 12% is the service tax. 12% of rupees 250. Okay, 12% of 250 is the service tax. We have to find the total amount they have to pay. Okay, so service tax equals 12%. Okay, then 12% of 250 rupees equals 250 into 12 by 100. We can cut these two 0. This 10 in 5. How much 5s are there in 10? 2 5s. 5 5s are 25. We can cut 12 by this 2. 6 10, which is equals 6 into 5 equals 30 rupees. 30 rupees is the 12% of 250 rupees. The total amount they had to pay. Total amount they had to pay equals 250 plus 30. 250 plus 30, which is equals rupees 280. Total 280 rupees they had to pay. Clear?